guys? It's your boy Monster from Monster's Garage, and today is another special day, man. We're gonna go test the G80 M3. We'll see what it does 0 to 60. We'll see what it does 60 to 130, and we'll even get some quarter mile data. I have the Draggy here charged up. As you guys see, Draggy is charged up, and we're gonna get some data, man, so stay tuned. Of course, the purpose of this video is to see what the G80 M3 does stock before we start adding mods to it. The first few set of mods I think I'm gonna do is going to be the downpipe, the intake, and then the KW height adjustable suspension. That'll be in the next video, but in the meantime, make sure you guys like, subscribe, turn on the bell notifications, and follow all my social medias. Let's get it. Here she spins. See what's up. What's going on, guys? We did get to the proving grounds. Just want to show you guys the car is completely stock. Give you guys a walkthrough real quick. Full interior, completely stock. So I got my guy Rab with me, Rab2Viral. He's helping me shoot some video.
Yo, look, we both got the cameras on.
Yeah, we going vlog crazy right now. So Rab is gonna help me shoot some content today that you're gonna see. Make sure y'all follow his social medias. Also, and turn on the bell notifications for my boy, all right? Let's get to the highway. So we're gonna get the tires a little warm, and then we'll get some testing, some 0 to 60, some 60 to 130, and then also some quarter mile. I want to tell you guys again, we are doing this with a passenger. The rest of the test probably won't be with one, but I like to get real world performance and make sure that you guys know exactly what this car does every day. So stay tuned. Alright, so we're gonna get some 0 to 60 and 60 to 130 and quarter mile data. So let's see what's 30. Up. Alright.
30. 60.
So y'all know what the G80 M3 does stock now. Excited to take you guys along with me. The next video will be us putting some supporting mods on the car. It'll be downpipe, intake, and lowering springs. And then from there, we'll get the DME sent out to Fem2 to get unlocked, so we can put Boot Mod 3 on it, as well as get tuned by my guy F80 Paul. So make sure you guys stay tuned. splits for you guys. Quick beach run, man. Hope you guys enjoyed.
Back to regular New York traffic.